Hi everyone, in the previous video, I had an overview of the interface and general instruction of SmartBooks accounting software, and today I'm gonna go into detailed instruction for account receivable module. In this module, the first thing we need to prepare before entering data is declaring the customer list. And this is a declaration screen, a list of customer. The required information to enter is customer code and customer name. In this section, there are three types of information: customer information, defaults, and other information. In customer information, the first task, we need to add some information such as representative, address, phone number, tax code, email. In the first task, there are a type required us to declare where customer are individual business. In the default task, we need to enter currency, exchange rate, other account, sale account, prepayment account, terms, and tax ID. The last task is other information. This task is to help enterprise manage customer by membership card. After completing the declaration of customer information, we click Save. And we can look up the information entered in the customer column. We click here, we will see information of the customer we need to find. Following this input section, output invoice, similar to all other input screens of SmartBooks, the input screen will be divided into two main layout parts. The first is general information and the second is detailed entering data. The first data automatically filled out when we enter is the voucher number. The user does not need to enter it. The software will. It is a reference number used in the software only and doesn't make any sense in accounting. In the data, we can press F3 to look up. And it will load up the list of ended invoice. For example, when we want to see this invoice, we click here. And it displays the information of the customer invoice that we have entered. And we can choose to copy the data from this imported voucher. Press copy. All information of that voucher will be copied over, and only the date of voucher and the number document is different. The software voucher date is automatically taken according to the current date, and the voucher number will automatically generated by the software. When we want to create a new voucher, we click Save. Document date, accounting month, voucher number. As customer, we press F3 to select customer. In the currency, we click here to select currency. Invoice, we will enter invoice. Below is invoice information. There is some belonging to the order such as sale order number, contract number, buyer, delivery, place, bill lading number. And we input description. And here we will input revenue. First, we select revenue account. Name of material we can type here. Quality, unit price, domestic price will automatically autofill. And then we select task code. For example, we choose the tax rate 10%. SmartBook will automatically multiple tax equal taxable income plus tax rate. After completing the import, we will click Save. And SmartBook informed that the voucher has been successfully saved. Please raise your attention to one thing, that all the voucher after entering the data in SmartBook will be whole, draft status, not as recorded. Any change to status from unrecorded to be recorded. We choose Release and press Save. SmartBook will inform us that voucher has been successfully recorded. In addition, in the input screen, we have one button, Customer. The bottom is a shortcut to take us the customer list, so we can create a new code right in the input instead of going back to the menu and entering the list customer item. The following is the processing. When we finish inputting data, we do not choose to change the status on each voucher. We can batch process by going to Release Batch section, and we can choose to process all vouchers or by month. For example, here we click on Invoice and press Executive. SmartBook will show a message that the executive is successful. All vouchers that has been posted will no longer appear in this list. After data entry and processing are done, we can move to the next section, Inquiry View Voucher Information. The detail of the detail of AR will show all the receivable, and we need to fill the previous to we have just entered it. Here we will choose the whole of 2020. Below have two forms, summary and details. Summary means taking the total data of the whole sheet. And details mean will be detailed according to each voucher that we enter. In the receivable accounting module, we have reports AR detailed by customer, the balance of account 131138, statement of VAT output. Depending on the tracking needs, we will choose the appropriate report type and field conditions for each of these reports.